using common and simple tenses, you will not regret joining the class. So let's continue and learn today. So I'm going to start with sentences with I or am, using I am. So I'm going to say, I remember, I can remember, I remembered. Na tuna, I remembered. Tuna, to recall, remember. Probably you've forgotten, so you remember. So you say, na tuna. Okay, I forgot. Na manta, I forgot. Na manto, you forgot. Na manta, I remembered. Na tuna. Hope you got that. Okay, so let's continue. And I hope. Nafata. So you go, maybe something you're conversing and you're like, are you sure? I hope. So nafata. And I see. Nagani. I see. Nagani. I understand. Na fahimta. So, and okay, after that, I forgot. Namanta. And I believe him. I believe you. Naya dedekai. I believe you. Naya dedekai. And continue. I am sure. So when you say, I am sure, not about. I am happy. Ina farin ciki. I am tired. Na gaji. When you say you're tired, probably you've worked, you say na gaji. I am hungry. Ina jin yunwa. I am hungry. Ina jin yunwa. I am afraid. Ina ji tsoro. So, I am afraid. Ina ji tsoro. I am playing. And you will say in Hausa, ina wasa. You could then, when you also say I am joking, you can also say ina wasa. I am joking. I am playing. Ina wasa. I am calm. Probably there is an issue. People think you are agitating. So you're trying to make your friend calm, or you want to tell them that you're not anxious. You're very calm. You're not anxious. You're very calm. So you say ina hasu. I am very calm. The problem, is not moving me. The issue is not weighing me down. Okay? The issue is not weighing me down. And then you can say, I am not confused. In Hausa, you say, ina rikishi. I am confused rather. Ina rikishi. I am confused. Ina rikishi. I am not confused. Ban rikishi. Alright? So let's continue. I think I've talked about afraid. When you say I am afraid, so you say ina soro. I am afraid. Ina soro. And of course the opposite is ba. So anytime you're communicating Hausa, you said this word, the opposite, you have to add ba. So, I am afraid. Ina tsoro. I am not afraid. Bana tsoro. Bana tsoro. You can also say banji tsoro. Banji tsoro. I am not feeling afraid. Banji tsoro. I am not feeling afraid. I am not feeling afraid. Okay, so I'm going to continue. Let's continue. And the next one you could talk about worry. Maybe I'm most worried. You're worried. So like ina damuwa, or she is worried. Tana damu. Tana cikin damuwa. Can I say ina cikin damuwa? I am worried. Extremely worried. So if you're not worried, say ba damuwa. I am not worried. I am worried. Ina damuwa. Ina damu. Ina damu. So these words, just keep practicing. You get used to using the words. And the next word I want to say is, okay, serious. Serious. I am serious. So you say the gaske nike. The gaske nike. I am serious. I am dead serious. The gaske. The gaske nike. So I am serious. The gaske nike. So the person, probably you're talking and they feel you're joking. Like the person thinks, kana wasa, you're joking. Kana wasa ko? Person say, kana wasa ko? You're joking, right? You say, ban na wasa. Ban wasa. Ban wasa. The gaske nike. So you're saying, I am dead serious. I am not playing. Ba na wasa. The gaske nike. All right, the next one is joking. Okay, joking wasa. I am waiting. I am waiting. I am waiting. So I am waiting in Hausa is jira. Ina jira. Ina jira. I am waiting. Ina jira. I am waiting. Ina jira. And the next word is I am trying. I am trying. When you want to say I am trying in Hausa, you say ina kokari. Ina kokari. I am trying. Ina kokari. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Ina kokari. And the next word I'm saying, I'm listening. I am listening. So the person is talking. The person is talking and believes you're not paying attention. You say, no, I am listening. Ina saurara. Ina saurara. Okay? Ina saurara. Ina saurara. I am watching. Okay? I am watching. Another, maybe your person wants you to see. Look, I'm watching. You say, I am watching. I am watching. Yes, I'm watching. Ina kallo. Ina kallo. Yeah, ina kallo pa. Ina kallo. So I am watching. And the next word is thinking. I am thinking. Ina tunani. You know, the other time I told us that I forgot means na manta. Na manta. And I remember natuna. So now let's marry these words together. Na manta, I forgot. Then you say, oh, let me think. So you think, ina tunani, I am thinking. Ina tunani, I am thinking. Then suddenly you remembered, oh, natuna. Please, I just used 3 different words together. I forgot. I've forgotten. Na manta. I am thinking. Ina tunani. Oh, I remembered. Na tuna. Do you get that? The 3. I forgot. Na manta. I am thinking. Ina tunani. I remembered. Na tuna. Right? Okay, so let's go to the next word. I am done. Na gama. Na gama. I am done. Na gama. Na gama. So what are you doing? Are you still cooking? Oh no, na gama. Na gama. Meanwhile, cooking. Greeky. Greeky. Na gama. Okay. Na gama. Na gama. Thank you for your thumbs up. So the next word is I am busy. I am busy. Ina cikin aiki yanzu. Or akan aiki nike yanzu. Akan aiki. Aiki is work. So I'm on top of the work. So directly translated, I am on the job. I am on the work. I am on the work. So akan aiki nike. Akan aiki nike yanzu. I am on the work. So, or you say, ina aiki yanzu. I am working now. So when someone calls you and say, oh, sorry, I'm busy. I'm a bit busy. How do you say it now, sir? Ina kan aiki. Ina kan aiki. Ina. Remember, ina is I am. Ina kan aiki. Ina kan aiki yanzu. Yanzu means now. Yanzu now. Yanzu now. All right. So let's proceed. I am free now. I am free. So you're not working, you're done with your work. So you say, I am free now. Sai ka ce, ina da lokaci yanzu. Ina da lokaci yanzu. So ina da lokaci yanzu it literally means I have time now. Lokaci means time. When. I have time now. Yanzu, now. Ina da. Remember, ina da is stand for I am or I. So ina da lokaci yanzu. I have ample time now. I have time now. I am free now. I am free now. Ina da lokaci yanzu. I am free now. Or I have time now to talk to you. I have time for us to talk. Ina da lokaci yanzu. I have time now. Ina da lokaci yanzu. The next word is I am ready. I am ready. Na shirya. Na shirya. I am ready. Maybe the person called you, oh, you're busy. Of course, busy. When you want to say busy, you say, ina kan aiki yanzu. So, but now you're ready, you're done. You say, na shirya. Na shirya. I am done. Okay, the next word is I will try. I will try. I will try. Zan gwada. Zan gwada. So if you don't try, you won't know. In ba ka gwada ba, ba za ka sani. You won't know. Sani. I know. Na sani. I know. Na sani. Zan gwada. I will try. Zan gwada. I will try. So, and the next one is I will wait. I will wait. Zan jira. I will wait. Zan jira. Wait for me. Jirani, wait. Jira. So remember, I always tell us Hausa is gender sensitive. So when Hausa, you're talking to the male, the Hausa person, a man, a male, there are particular words you use, the pronouns that you use for Hausa male. There is pronoun that you use for Hausa female. Maybe you need to check my video on pronoun for Hausa. So, but I can say some. The female you make use of K, Ki, King. While the male you make use of Ka, she, Kai, and so on. Okay, so let me just give an example. of, I was trying to mention, I mentioned the last word. I said, I will wait. So I'll say, I will wait for you. Email, Zenjiraka. Zenjiraka. I will wait for you. The male, Zenjiraki. I will wait for you, female. Okay, so you can say Zenjiranki. Properly say Zenjiranki. I will wait for you. The female, Zenjiranki. I will wait for you. Zenjiranka. I will wait for you. A male, Zenjiranka. Meaning you're talking to the male. I will wait for you. Will you wait for him or her? All right, so I can turn into a question. Will you wait? Zaka Jira. Okay, so probably I am talking to a male now. Will you wait for him? I'm asking you a question. Let me turn into Hausa. Change it to Hausa. Will you wait for him? Zaka Jiran ta. Will you wait for him? Zaka Jiran she. Him, she. Zaka Jiran she. Now, Zaka Jiran she. If is a male, Zaka Jiran she. If the both party are male, Zaka Jiran she. If the both party are female, Zaki Jiranta. Zaki Jiranta. All right. Okay, so let me move on to emotional, to express myself emotionally. Emotionally, I am sad. I am sad. In a baking chicky. In a baking chicky. Baking chicky. Becky. Actually, literally speaking, Becky is black in Hausa. Becky, I've done a video on colors. Becky is black. White is furry. White, furry. So when you say, in our furry chicky, you're saying, I am happy. In our furry chicky, I am happy. When you say, in our baking chicky, I am sad. In our baking chicky, I am sad. I am angry. In our fishy. I am angry. In our fishy. I am excited. I am excited. In a mourner. In a mourner. And I am disappointed. I am disappointed. Or I am ashamed. I am ashamed. I am ashamed. You can say in a jinkunya. I am ashamed. In a jinkunya. You can't even look at them in the face because you're ashamed. You feel embarrassed. I am ashamed. I am embarrassed. Sekeche in a jinkunya. In a jinkunya. Or shy. The word embarrassed, ashamed, shy, kunya, ina jin kunya. Ina jin kunya. So the word, sorry, I missed disappointed. Yeah, I feel disappointed. I am disappointing. No, I feel disappointed. And you will say, ina jin takanshi, ina ji takanshi, ina ji takanshi. So the next one is I am proud. Yeah. I am proud. Ina fahari. Ina afahari. I am proud. And I am shocked. I am shocked. Ina mamaki. Ina mamaki. Ina mamaki. Sorry. You can also say ina yi mamaki. So it's like you're feeling, when you say yi means do, feel. G means feel, rather. G means feel. So when you say yi, means you do. Ina yin aiki. I am working. You're doing something. You're doing something. So I am surprised. Nai mamaki. Surprised too. Nai mamaki. Nai mamaki. Ina mamaki. That I am surprised. And the next word is I feel hot. I feel hot. So where actually do you feel hot? Depending on the place. If it's here, you feel hot. Sekache inajin shiwo zushia. My heart is zushia. Zushiata. My heart. So if you feel heartache, inajin shiwo zushia. Okay, but if you feel hot in any other place, so sekache inajin shiwo. Shiwo, then you talk about where you feel the hot, where you feel the pain. Shiwo means pain. It also means hot. Okay, so tell us where you feel the pain, whether you feel the pain in your head, your eye, your nose. So if it's shiwo, head, sekache, shiwo kai. Kai is head. Inajin shiwo kai. I feel headache. Right now, I feel headache. All right, so the next word is I'm sorry. Oh, I don't like teaching negative, but sometimes because of feelings, you guys just need to say those things. Teaching negative, Anyway, let me go ahead and teach what I want to teach. I feel loved. Energy Anna. I feel loved. Energy Anna. Energy Anna. I feel loved. Okay? So I feel the opposite. I feel hated. I feel energy Anna. Oh. Sorry, I'm being dramatic. I'm sorry. Please give me a thumbs up. Okay, so I'm on number 20. I'm kind of mixing up the numbers now. I feel loved. I've talked about that. Energy Anna, I feel loved. And then I feel ignored. So I feel ignored. Energy wanting Dani. Energy Anna wanting Dani. Energy Anna wanting Dani. Kind of I feel ignored. I'm not noticed. I'm not observed, So you say Inajin Anna what's it Dani with me. When you say Dani with me. So the next one, I feel respected, okay? Inajin Anna Garmama. Feel respected. Inaji Anna Garmama. Anna Garmamani. Anna Garmamani. I feel safe. Inajin Lafia. I feel safe. Inajin Lafia. I feel weak. I feel weak. Inaji Rawani. I feel weak. Inaji Rawani. I feel weak. Inaji Rawani. I feel strong. Inaji Karfi. I feel strong. Inaji Karfi. Strong Karfi. So I feel hopeful. Energy Berje. Right now, energy Chiwukai. Chiwukai headache. I feel loved. No, where am I? I feel hopeful. Sorry. I feel hopeful. Energy Berje. I feel hopeful. Energy Berje. I feel nervous. Was it? Oh, serious. I feel serious. I feel okay. I'm mixing up. I don't want to mix up the numbers now. I'm skip anyone. I said I feel hopeful. Okay, that's where I stop. I feel hopeful. Energy Beji. I feel hopeful. Beji. When there are things happening and then you feel at peace. Yeah, at peace. There is good thing at the end of the tunnel. Yeah. Energy Beji. Energy Beji. So I feel confident. So I feel confident. You can say ina jin kwano. Ina jin kwano. Ina jin kwano. So, or you can say ina jin guwa. Ina jin guwa. Now, some languages have like, of course, even in English, we have synonyms of words. We have synonyms of words. Words that means the same thing. That means the same thing. That's what we talk about. Synonyms of words. Yep. I feel peaceful. I feel peaceful. Ina jin hankuri, 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 hankuri. Now, so if you want someone, maybe somebody is offended and is not happy, you're trying to calm the person down, you will say, ji hankuri. Da Allah ka ji hankuri. Da Allah ka ji hankuri. That means, please forgive me. Please calm down. Please be calm. Da Allah ka ji hankuri. Now, if you now want to say, I feel peaceful, you say, ina jin hankuri, ina jin hankuri, na jin hankuri. I feel peaceful. I think I'm gonna stop here today. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.